You already have everything you need to send a professional invoice right from the Bujeti platform. I am Titilayo, and in this video I'll show you how to create and send an invoice in just 3 clicks so you can get paid faster with no back and forth. So whether it's a one-time charge or a recurring invoice, you'll see how easy it is to manage everything from the Bujeti platform. Let's get started.
From the menu bar, navigate to the Invoices section, then click Invoices from the drop-down. On your invoice page, click Create an Invoice, and from the drop-down, select New Invoice. Now, fill in the invoice details starting with the customer information. Choose an existing customer from the drop-down. If it's a new customer, simply click Add New and enter the required details. Next, to the invoice information, enter the invoice number and the purchase order number. This is optional. Select your preferred currency. For this, I'm sticking to Naira. Then set the payment term, which is to indicate when the invoice should be paid, or simply pick a due date. If you like the invoice to be recurring, toggle the recurring feature. Here you can set a start and end date, then the frequency, either weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Now let's enter the product name, quantity, and unit price. The subtotal will be automatically calculated, and of course you can add as many items as needed. To apply a discount, you can add either a percentage or a fixed amount for the discount. Then enter the applicable tax and rates, for example VAT. You can also enable separate tax collection if you like the tax to be reserved in a dedicated tax account. Bujeti also gives you the option to accept installment payments. If you like your customer to pay in parts, simply enable installments. Select the number of installments, 2, 3, or 4. Then enter the breakdown, either as percentage or fixed amount, and assign due date for each installment. Finally, choose the account to be created, that is, the account where the payment will be received. When you are done, click Preview to see how the invoice will appear, and choose your preferred display format. Then click Save and Send to share the invoice with your customer. That's it.
And that's all it takes to create and send an invoice from the Bujeti platform. Now, go ahead and send your first invoice so you can get paid faster, track payments, and send automated follow-up directly from the Bujeti platform.